Hi my friends, welcome back to the channel. And in today, I'm sorry I don't have a crafting video for you. I truly am sorry. But we're going to take a grand tour through the Underhive of all the things that you and I have built together. So I hope you will enjoy that as well. As in the meantime, I need a little bit more time as I'm working on a few projects that I think you all will love very much. I know I do, so I hope you guys do as well. But they are rather big projects and they take a little bit of my time, as not all my time can be dedicated to crafting. But without further ado, and in anticipation of the other videos that are to come, let's walk around in Necromunda. Alright, follow me! Let's begin our tour through the Underhive. So here we can see the walls that we made, the walls and the columns, episode 2. The cables, and this is the doors, one of the stairways that we've made. This is the pipes and conduits, pipelines, and you can see one of the gangers taking up position. The crates and the pallet jacks. Thank you guys for for telling me the English name for those things, as I call them transporters, but yeah, pallet jacks is the thing that they are called. So one of the buildings, the incinerators, I put a pipeline on it, but you can remove it, so it's modular. Another ganger here, tossing things in the incinerator. Some platforms, the ammo crates. Another view from the building from the other side. And you can see the floor tiles, which is episode 1. Now, there are a million different ways to set up this entire setting. This is just one of them, so just wanted to showcase the things that we've made so far and how cool it actually looks to put it on the table, because I know that some of you who are watching this probably didn't see, or some didn't see, the battle reports in which I use this terrain. But yeah, this will give you an idea of what the options are of the things that we've made with really cheap and easy stuff to find. I mean, all the things that we have here really doesn't cost a lot of money, so that's a bonus, because you can spend a lot of money on terrain or 3D printing. I don't have that, but there's still something that I like about the simplicity of creating cool stuff with cheap junk. I used to do that a lot for our Dungeons and Dragons group, our role-playing group. And I craft a lot for Age of Sigmar as well. So if you guys want to see any of those fantasy things, just let me know. When I have a lot of things that I can craft with that as well. So here a different viewpoint from our Underhive. So yeah, this is just an example of what we've made so far. Our other stairway leading up. Here, one of the gangers. Here's another one, hard at work. Another one operating the pallet jack. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tour. Thank you all for watching this. And stick around till the end, I have a few shoutouts. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little tour through the Underhive with all the things that we've made so far. And with this, I would like to take a quick opportunity to thank a few channels out there. Sad and Lonely Gamer is one. If you like anything that's one-page rules, his channel is awesome. He's actually what got me inspired to doing my battle reports. So shout out to you, man. Keep doing what you do. Your channel is awesome. Also, if you guys are into conversions, simple techniques, check out Dok Minis. Fantastic. That's how I converted my true scale Terminators, thanks to his channel, and he has a lot of other cool things as well. And yeah, for crafting, there are so many guys out there. DM's Craft, who got me actually started crafting way back. Black Magic's Crafts, the DMG info, and tons of guys like Wyloch's Armory, guys who don't need introductions. You all know them. So yeah, big shout out to all of these guys, because their techniques are also what got me started into crafting my stuff in the first place. Alright, so big shout out to all, and I'm pretty sure there are many other guys that I didn't mention, as there are so many, but you all know who they are, so keep checking them out. Alright, and keep checking me out in the process as well. Thank you. So without further ado, I would like to say see you on the next one, guys, and I got cool stuff coming. Alright, stay tuned. Bye for now. See you next time. Bye.